Hi, I'm April with Cole on Security. Listen, have you noticed all this talk about healthcare for all and media chatter about healthcare reform?
Sure. Who hasn't? Healthcare is a huge deal right now.
Yes, it's a political hot potato. But do you know what's not being talked about?
Let me guess. Nobody's talking about all the money being ripped off from programs like Medicare, right?
Hmm, That's right.
I'll bet con artists are one reason why the US healthcare is so freaking expensive.
Fraud is so huge, the government asked for our help in identifying and taking down these characters. Last year, 265 million was awarded to people who blew the whistle on these operations.
Okay, I get all that. As a taxpayer and healthcare consumer, this is important. How can I learn more?
That's a no-brainer. Enroll in Cole Morris's course, How to Profit by Preventing Healthcare Fraud.